Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove gel nails with an e-file. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including your e-file, a suitable bit, and a dust brush. Choose a medium grit carbide bit or a fine sanding band, which are ideal for safely reducing gel product. Set your e-file to a medium speed, typically between 10,000 and 15,000 rotations per minute, to begin the process effectively and safely. When filing, hold your e-file like a pencil, using your pinky finger as an anchor for stability and control. Apply very light, even pressure, moving the bit in smooth strokes from the cuticle area towards the free edge of the nail. It is crucial to keep the e-file bit continuously moving to avoid generating excessive heat. Aim to remove approximately 80 to 90% of the gel, leaving a thin, protective layer over your natural nail. For the remaining gel, especially near the delicate cuticle area, switch to a finer grit bit or reduce your e-file speed to around 5,000 to 10,000 rotations per minute. Be extremely careful to avoid filing directly onto your natural nail plate, which can cause damage. Regularly brush away any dust to maintain clear visibility of your work. After filing, thoroughly inspect each nail to ensure all excess gel is removed and the surface is smooth. After gel removal, proper aftercare is vital for healthy nails. Immediately apply a high-quality cuticle oil, rich in ingredients like jojoba or vitamin E, to rehydrate your nails and surrounding skin. Follow this with a generous application of a rich hand cream, massaging it in to lock in moisture. Gently trim and file your nails with a fine grit file, always moving in one direction. Give your nails a few days to breathe and recover before applying any new polish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.